and hot.
A lot of moisture like that.
Wow, and moisture here is coming this way as well.
Part of that becomes a piece of our forecast puzzle into the weekend here, and we'll watch for some ice concerns here locally, both tonight and Friday through the weekend. Let's start with the camera up north. And this is an area that we'll see some light snow here as we go through the next couple of hours. We'll go from Bunker Hill, take you down into Kokomo. Right now, clouds, a little more bark than bite, but live Doppler 13 radar showing that it's not that far away from both of those camera sites there in Miami and Howard counties. And it's light snow that's falling now over Lafayette and Delphi, heading toward Frankfort. Some of this may sneak toward the metro area before about 7 o'clock. So we'll keep you updated, maybe enough to coat the ground and cause a few slick spots here as we go through the evening. This is the leading edge of the warmer air that will be about 24 hours away when we're into the 40s. Right now it's 28 in Marion, it's 30 Anderson, and 33 degrees in Indianapolis. It has been a while since we've been above the freezing mark. And give thanks to a south wind running at about 11 miles per hour at this point in time. In fact, 133 hours we spent below freezing here in Indianapolis. Average high 35, close to that number for today. So FUTURETRAK 13 will show that light snow potential. And then as we go through tonight, right around midnight, that's when there's going to be a possibility here. And it will likely develop over central and eastern Indiana. It won't amount to a lot, but it will be enough in some locations to glaze up the roads for a few hours until we can get these temperatures above the freezing point. So we want you to be aware of this. May not be a huge deal, but certainly before the morning commute, we may have a few icy patches to kind of have to navigate through. Here's the temperature timeline. Once the precipitation starts tonight, that's going to slow us down on warming up. A degree or two makes a big difference come tomorrow morning here. And then eventually we do get into the 40s tomorrow. Very windy stuff to deal with on Tuesday. And after we get through the morning hours, we'll have considerable fog, a lot of clouds, showers. And then about this time tomorrow, there's going to be a band of rain, heavier downpours that develop, and some embedded thunderstorms that will have wind gusts that may go over 50 miles per hour. We'll see the temperatures go back down close to 30 degrees come Wednesday morning, and then we're going to see the temperature pendulum go right back in the other direction here. On Wednesday, we're going to jump right into the 50s, almost 60 degrees with thunderstorms around. And then Thursday is going to be a warmer than average day as well. We'll include the potential for some severe thunderstorms. And look at the difference. We're going to be in the 60s, but you go up to Chicago and Davenport, readings will be in the 20s. And that front is going to be a big key to the upcoming weekend forecast. Computer guidance suggesting some 2 to 3 inches of liquid. Unfortunately, it all won't be rain. Some of this is going to come in the form of sleet and or freezing rain beginning as early as Friday afternoon and likely stretching through the weekend here. So some sleet and ice accumulations are possible. Check back for forecast details as we get a little closer. It's impossible to say exactly what's going to be the dominant precipitation type at this point in time, but it certainly bears watching. So how about this for a forecast? We've got 44 on Tuesday, 56 Wednesday, 62 on Thursday, and then we go down into the lower 30s heading into the weekend. Buckle up for what's going to be a wild ride in the next 7 days.
All right, we are strapped in very tightly there. Thanks so much, Sean.